Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send USDT from Kucoin to OKX. First of all, you need to log into your Kucoin account. Then you need to hover over the assets on the top right menu and go to the funding account where you have your USDT balance. If you can't find USDT, you can use the search bar, type USDT, and the USDT will appear on your screen. Then you need to click withdraw. And now we need to select the network, and the bad news is that OKX does not support BIP20 network. So we need to choose other network, for example, TRC20, and at the moment fee is 1.5 USDT guys. So let's choose TRC20, let's go to OKX, log into our account, then hover over the assets on the top right corner, go to the My Assets page. Then you need to click funding on the top menu, and across USDT you need to hover over these three dots and click deposit. Now we need to select the network, so we are selecting TRC20 network, then click next. Now we need to copy the wallet address, go back to KuCoin and paste the wallet address right here. Now we need to enter the amount of USDT you are sending from KuCoin to OKX. For example, 100. The minimum amount is 3. And for example, we are sending 100 USDT. We will get 98.5 USDT, and the fees will be fixed 1.5 USDT. So if everything is correct, you need to click withdraw button and finalize the payment. In maximum 2 minutes, you can go to OKX and check your balance. To check your balance, you need to again hover over the assets, go to your assets page, and then go to funding, and right here your USDT balance will appear. So that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.